Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to solve a fun system of equation. Our problem is x plus y equals 20 and x times y equals 44. I will guide you through every single step using color to make it super clear. Let's begin. Okay, for our first step we need to get one variable alone. Let's get a first equation, x plus y equals 20. We need to get a y by itself. We just subtract x from both sides like this and give us our new very important equation, y equals 20 minus x. It's come from this equation. This is related together. Okay, and the next steps, we replace the y in this equation, second equations. For example, like this, substitute this into a second equation, and we have this formula, x times 20 minus x is equals 44, like this, and coming in here, this formula is related together. Okay, the next steps, alright, the steps 3, we need to expand this. We multiply the x into a parenthesis, and x times 20 gives us 20x, and x times minus x, we have the minus x squared, like this. And to solve this problem, we want to arrange it into a standard quadratic. A standard quadratic like this, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We must convert this standard quadratic, so we move everything to the right side like this, and with changes their sign, and we get our final quadratic equation, x squared minus 20x plus 44 equals 0. We change the sign minus to positive by move everything to the right side. And step 4, we have this formula. Whenever you see this form, the best tool to use the quadratic formula in our equations, a is 1, b is minus 20, and c is 44. Now we just plug this number carefully in the formula, just like you see on the screen. We replace everything in this formula. This is a quadratic formula for find x value. Step 5, let's calculate the x1 and x2, because we have a two value for x, minus and plus. Inside the root, negative 20 squared is 400, and 4 times 1 times 44 is 176, like this. This is a 76 and this is a 400. So this is equations equals to 224, and this is our final equations. Now the step 6 is very important. How do we simplify the square root of 224? Let's break it down. We can divide 224 for 2 again and again to find all its pair. As you can see in here, we get a list of number 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times 2, and 7. Now converted it like this pair. We have a pair of red 2 and we have a pair of blue 2. For each pair, one number comes out of the square root. So one red times 2 comes out, and one blue 2 comes out like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, and it's remaining in the square root. Okay, outside we multiply them. 2 times 2 is 4, and the number left inside without a pair are 2 and 7. We multiply them inside the root. 2 times 7 is 14. Number the step 7. Excellent. Now we go back to our main formula. We replace the square root of 224 with our beautiful simple answer, 4 times the square root of 14, like this, and replace in this formula. Okay, now going to next step. So we are so close. The last things to do here is divided everything by 2. 20 divided 2 is 10, and 4 times the square root of 14 divided by 2 is 2 times the square root of 14. This gives our two possible value, plus and minus. X, for example, x 10 plus 2 times the square root of 14, and 10 minus 2 times square root of 14, like this. And going to next step, we have the x, but what about y? Y equals 20 minus x in the step 1, like this. In here, y is equal 20 minus x, and we have the value for x. We have two value, x1 and x2, and replace that. For example, for x1 we have the y1, for x2 we have a y2, and if x is the minus version, like this, y become the plus version, and the x is the plus version, y is the minus version, like this. Okay, the final solution, we make the pair, two solution pair for x and y, like this. It is the x1, and this is a y1, and this is a x2, and this is a y2. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you understand the processes, please hit the like button and consider the subscribing for more math tutorial. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.